May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore, ma'am?
My name is Ekta Sharma and I stay in Hebbal, which is very close to Eurokids.
How old is your child?
My child is 4 years plus.
What were you looking for your child?
What I was looking for my child was something where my child has an overall personality development, not only a studies, something the child is grow with the age, he has a bit, he knows what is running around, what kind of things around him, basically a total personality development.
Which other play schools did you consider?
Which place did I consider?
Which other play schools did you consider?
To be honest, I have an elder daughter who studies in Jain Heritage. I did consider that school as well before putting him in there, and because they also have fundamentals. But I preferred the Euro school. The reason being is I feel that other school is too big for a small child like him. So got a lot to hear about Euro school from lots of other parents. That's it.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
I prefer Euro school. Euro kids. Yeah. Why? I actually, to be honest, I just give a little bit of background about myself. I work for a company which does uniforms for schools. So I have a wide exposure towards all kind of schools. I handle different kind of schools basically. From you name a school in Bangalore, I deal with them. So apart from that, taking that kind of experience, background, and Euro school, what I needed for my child was a child which is up close to your house. The teachers are nice, they are very transparent, and where you know your child is, how your child growth is working, and that's what I found in Euro school, Euro kids. I get into Euro school.
How was your experience being with Euro kids?
Wonderful.
Anything that could be better?
No, I don't think I can ask more than this what I have, because I have seen my child growing. The wonderful experience what I can say is that I'm a working mom. I don't have much of time to spend with my child at times. I spend time only in the evenings, and one fine day I just come home and my son says, "Mama, do you know tiger isn't carnivorous animal?" I was amazed. I mean, a child at 4 years would know something like that, which you don't expect him to be, because my elder daughter knows. I think I teach her all those things. She's in 3rd standard. So that was something very amazing. It was a turning point for me, to be honest, saying that my child knows so much more than his age, and that is, I think, the whole credit goes to the school and the teachers who teaches him. Apart from his ABCD, he knows so much about that is called the personality development of a child.
Based on your experience, tell me 2 best things what you like about Euro kids.
It's teachers. It's a staff. It's not only when I say staff or a teacher, I would consider even driver of the bus. That somebody who takes him back home. There's too much involvement into a child. Every individual child is taken care individually. That is very important. And I think that's what I like about the school. And for teachers, you really, they really look into your child development. They call you, they let you know what's happening with your child, and you are totally aware of your child development overall. That's the nice thing about the school.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you to recommend Euro kids, Kempapura Hebbal to other parents?
I would recommend to all the parents who are working parents, basically. I'm being a working parent. What I look for, this school has everything, because your transparency of your child growth is there with you, even if you're not with them every time. Because parents at home have enough time to spend with them, but the working parents, it's very difficult. You have hardly any time to spend with their child. But all the time you spend, but your school is making you aware of everything what's happening in your child's life. And that's the connectivity is very strong with this Euro kids.
So what is the rating you give?
I wish I could give more than 5,
Okay.
but I think it's 5.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.